Helmets are worn every day, but how often are they cleaned? Almost never. And that's a big problem for your health and your business opportunity. Sweat, dust, bacteria trap inside your helmet. Over time, it leads to bad smell, skin irritation, and even infection. That's why helmet hygiene matters more than you think. Meet the automatic helmet washer, designed to clean, steam, and dry helmets in minutes. It's fast, it's effective, and most importantly, it's automatic. Here's how it works. Step 1. Place the helmet inside. Step 2. Press start. And step 3. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. No chemicals on your hand, just clean, fresh helmet ready to go. So, how do you turn this into income? Simple. Offer helmet cleaning as a value-added service. It fits perfectly with, firstly, car and motorbike wash station, parking lot, apartment buildings, cafe or convenience store. You provide a service that is fast, clean, and essential, and in return, you gain repeat customer and new revenue with very little space or staff required. People today care about hygiene, they care about comfort. Helmet cleaning is still a blue ocean, which is an untapped market. When you offer this service, customers don't just notice, they come back again and again. So what do you need to start? Firstly, just a small meter of space. Secondly, power supply, which is 220 volt or 380 volt. A water connection. And finally, the machine. That's it. No complicated setup, no special training. We provide full support and guidance for the international customers. Want to learn more about launching your own helmet cleaning business? Whether you are in Asia, the Middle East, or anywhere in the world, we are here to help. Contact us now to get started. This could be your next big move.